What do you think is important about competitive programming? You all are here for this workshop. Of course, you understand that competitive programming is useful, but why is it useful? Why did people ask puzzles in interviews? Because you want to see how fast can a student learn. Okay, when I ask you a puzzle and you solve it, what you're doing actually is you're looking at the problem, you're thinking of many ways, and you're finding a solution. I need those kind of people. Okay, so let's take an example. Okay,
there's a pattern. 0 is 1 time.
Okay.
Then 1 is 2 times.
Correct.
Then after 9, it's again decreasing.
Okay.
So we have a pattern that like 0 plus 1 into 2 plus 2 into 3.
Okay, this is a good solution, but there's probably even better.
N square n minus 1.
I'm sorry?
N square n minus 1.
N square into n minus 1. Okay. Alright, awesome. So we saw 3 solutions. Which one do you think is the best? The last one. Why? Because the computer doesn't need to work at all. You need to work a lot. Of course, you need to sit down and find out patterns. But what happens when, if you're posting something on Facebook and something takes even 3 seconds, you start getting irritated. And users are money. So you don't really care if the engineer is breaking his head as long as you're getting that cash flow in. Okay, that's the reason why we need you to know these algorithms. And competitive programming is the best way, probably, to practice algorithms. And because you're competing, you also have that learning enthusiasm that I'm going to learn something new to get better and better. Okay, that's why we do competitive programming, and we are going to talk about it in detail today and tomorrow. Okay, whatever you guys just did is called dynamic programming. Right? ये जो store कर रहे थे ना हम लोग चीजें, dynamic programming is basically using recursion, और recursion ताकि बार-बार ना करना पड़े, हम लोग उसे आगे में store कर देते हैं. Simply. Dynamic programming कर लिया. That's it. 13 plus 14 plus 15 is 42 plus 18 plus 19 plus 20 plus 23 plus 24 plus 25. 131 होना चाहिए. Okay. No. Oh, I'm sorry. Should be -1. So the good thing is at least debugging the secret. Three, five, group. Very interesting. Oh God. Okay, I have figured out the issue. Can you tell me what the issue is? In code, it will be fixed in like 5 seconds, but the problem is when we are calculating the sums, right? We got something wrong in this bit. Just the signs. Focus on the signs. Minus k plus उस पे focus करना है. Reason for that is when we are coming at 5. Yeah, this seems correct. So I'll just add this. 3, 5, 3, 5. 88. 145 minus 120 is 25. 25 plus, what are we going to add here? I got the issue.
So it should be R1 minus 1
Right.
and C1 minus 1.
Right.
Both will change. R1 and C1.
Yeah. C1. And now, yeah. I'm sorry, I didn't listen because you see it's become a challenge for me also. Does this make sense?
Yes.
Okay. Previous order सब कुछ हटाओ. Okay. 3, 5. Let's see what happens now. Correct. Answer is correct. So you have to find the maximum sub array. Okay. Any ideas? For those who have already solved it, you can do heavy light decomposition. Till your 4th year, you can sit down and do that. Or solve the traffic salesman when they recommend. Want to see the code? Okay. Let's see what happens this time. Yeah, listen.
अबे केक खा